Wow, is it ever foggy today? So today I'm going to the car show and picking up my buddy John, and we're gonna go have a good time in Edmonton for the day, and we're gonna rush back home so I can get back home and watch the Canadians play the Rangers, and then the Oilers are gonna be playing the Sharks tonight. So it's gonna be a full day. I'm literally going from 7 o'clock in the morning here till 11 o'clock at night before I'll be home. Yeah, John, I'm just filling up right now. I should be there in, I'd say 10 minutes. He said he'd be ready, but clearly he's not. You weren't joking, I'm sorry to wake you up. You gotta check out these shoes squeaking. This is awesome. Hi.
Take your ticket and they'll stamp your hand, please.
All right.
Thank you. Here you go.
So I kind of like the small little sports cars, but we got here, it was a good drive, and now we got nothing to do but look at cars all day. Digging the looks of this BMW M2. This is a nice little fast car. 365 horsepower. That's just insane for a car this size. I'm gonna see how hard it is to get into one of these things. I saw somebody else struggling with it. Well, that was easy. Now I think it's time to go to everybody's favorite burger place, the Five Guys Burgers and Fries. I'm so hungry right now. You can always tell my car, you just look for the smallest car in the parking lot. Can I get a, maybe a cheeseburger? I get a regular fries? No, I just want ice water.
And what do you want in your cheeseburger, sir?
Everything. Wow, that was so good. Well, we've got so much time left. Dinner was good. Now we gotta go figure out something to do because the games don't start till 5 o'clock tonight, and it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It only takes about 2.5 hours to drive home. So I think that means we're gonna go for a Costco run. Yeah, Costco run sounds good. time to stop for a Coke and Mondare, I think. Giant turd. Got the giant turd. Mondare. Well, just pulling up to the house now. I got John dropped off. We're gonna go attend the hockey game. I'm gonna take my 2 boys with me, go to see my buddy Ken tonight, and we're gonna watch the Canadiens and Rangers tied at 2 games apiece, and the San Jose Sharks and Edmonton Oilers cheering for the Oilers, right? And we're gonna watch them, and they're tied at 2 games apiece too. So it should be some neat action here, and looking forward actually to spending the night with my boys a little bit. Be fun after a good day in the city. All right, the boys are all packed, ready to go, and we're gonna be taking the Explorer tonight. It's time to go family vehicle mode. Now we're heading out to Ken's house. I got the kids in tow with me today. Jake and Cash are both with me, and we are literally going to watch 6 hours of hockey from 5 o'clock in the afternoon, which it is right now, till 11 o'clock at night, because there's 2 teams playing. That's about as good of a night as the guys can get together. Well, not too bad. The Oilers won in OT, the Habs lost in OT, but a pretty great night. Now it's past midnight. I gotta get ready for work in the morning. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Six's Overdrive, and I'm out of here. Bye-bye.